In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Movr future while talking about the Movr cost gauge for 2023 and then some, as opposed to prevalent thinking. If it's not too much trouble, certainly remember that you ought to think about this and any exceptionally other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, in a real sense, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Movr in an unpretentious manner. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig sort of profound into the Movr value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Movr especially is a genuinely wise speculation or not. For what reason will Movr especially succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Movr value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what Movr generally is and its to-date history in a significant manner. Movr value expectation for the genuinely next 10 days, or so they especially thought. The kind of entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin especially has fallen 75% from its record-breaking in every practical sense, high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs amazingly. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon basically is dinky, and there will really be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into considerably more especially stable business sectors. Crypto really is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This, in every practical sense, is truly reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the kind of inverse heading and alter the course, which is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many truly times in the far off and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the really next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We generally expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike, which generally is very critical. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture in an essentially large manner. Basics that we assess explicitly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, or so they thought. 2023 0210 plus 5.83% $9. 8820230211 plus 6.07% $9. 91202302 $120.56% $9. 29202302 plus 6.41% $9. 94202302 plus 3.43% $9. 66202302 15 plus 1.49% $9. 48202302 160.30% $9. 31202302 17 plus 1.08% $9. 44202302 180.47% $9. 30202302 195.82% $8. 80202302 200.78% $9.27. Movr value expectation 2023 high expansion and very perilous large-scale circumstance pondered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022, most certainly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with sort of enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 certainly isn't looking excessively commonly great for the bulls, which is genuinely huge. We will most likely see a great deal of, all things considered, exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip essentially lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. Underneath basically is a month-by-month breakdown of the very last a long time of 2022 and 2023 blemish in a really significant way. 17.81% $7.68 2023 APRA in a significant manner. 29.52% $6.58 2023 May in an especially significant manner. 24.35% $7.07 2023 Jun, which generally is genuinely critical. 18.85% $7.58 2023 JOL, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. 3.78% $8.99 2023 OG, which is genuinely huge, plus 3.72% $9.69 2023 SEP, which is very critical, plus 7.97% $10.08 2023 OG, plus 11.92% $10.45 2023 NA, plus 17.98% $11.02 2023 DEC, or so they thought, plus 34.89% $12.60 2024 JAN, in opposition to mainstream thinking, plus 32.79% $12.40 2024 FEB, plus 45.50% $13.59 MOVR value forecast 2025, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Our forecast model sees MOVR coming to $22.42 in 2025, which is genuinely huge. What will MOVR truly be worth in 5 years in a significant manner? The cost of MOVR in 5 years could fundamentally lie around $20.79 Movr value expectation 2030 to 2040, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. What Movr will explicitly be somewhat worth in 2030, which is genuinely critical. Our estimating model sees Movr coming to $56.04 in 2030 amazingly. What Movr will be worth in 2040, which is very critical. Our determining model sees Movr coming to $112.08 in 2040, which is very huge. Will Movr by and large supplant, most certainly outperform, surpass Bitcoin, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking? No, Movr won't supplant or in a real sense surpass BTC, or so they sort of thought. Is Movr worth purchasing? We certainly are supporters of reasonably unsafe financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a container of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with immense potential gain in a truly significant manner. Thus, in this unique situation, Movr for the most part is especially worth purchasing, which is genuinely critical. Is Movr an especially wise speculation, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking? Movr is, very much like all really other cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous interest in a significant way. It has a lot higher likelihood of going up than down due to the excellent use case, very much planned tokenomics, sort of dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. How by and large much will Movr generally be worth, which truly is very huge. For the fundamentally transient future, it could for the most part reach $5.66, or so they explicitly thought. In the long haul, it could leap to $56.04 or considerably higher in an especially significant manner. For what reason will Movr succeed and in a real sense become more expensive? Or so they explicitly thought. Movr generally has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Movr ascending to $56.04 in 2030, or so they thought. For what reason will Movr basically fall flat and drop in cost in a kind of significant manner? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most fundamentally normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the venture, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration. By and